it's me again.
So it's 6:45 or so in the morning. It is Sunday, July 29th, and I'm going to snowboard at Mount Hood, Timberline. I'm getting the legs ready for Argentina in 2 weeks just to see how it feels. See how the ankle feels.
Been making overnight flights across town for several nights now. Pacing with light cycles, streaks of neon off a kite tail. I run a nice route, but I feel my heart fading. Reminiscing past rides with Tatsuo and Kaneda.
And with that, on the chair.
And before we meet the maker, one of these nights, you find out what you're made of. You can fight it till your last breath collapses, or accept this is you and let them things out and abash it. I'm on. River City to Riverside, look alive. I cast shadows in the night from a neon mad sign. Billy and Jimmy Lee washed the six back in '99. Fight or flight divide, now it's only fight to fight. Delightful spice, swinging lead pipes for a righteous price. I ain't for sale though, keep the offer. Evening extremists can't be bought in the crack of dawn joggers. I write lines between day walkers and midnight marauders, prepping hooks like ruthless Robbie, motherfucking Lawler. Don't know what y'all heard, the pros are hard and center. But if she could slow dance on the floor full of phantasmal killers, then I let her wear my hoodie, come and fly shotgun. Silver bullets in the glove compartment, Billy Compton and company, come with me. Run your keys, your jewels. I seen things you can't unbelieve. Spade's a spade, but only me throws up my sleeve. Just an American saber wolf on these London streets. Know one thing, don't pick a fight with the man who's died twice and done believe in the Lord of life. 50-50's my norm, you don't wanna see my risky. Just tell him that I'm coming and I'm bringing hell with me.
It's me again. Your hair couldn't hold me down. I'm back. It's my
Boom. So that's summer riding at Hood, Sunday, July 29th. Having some bratwurst, calling it a day, and gonna head back to Washington. It is delicious. Just what I needed.